How to make avocado oil at home. Easy DIY recipe for pure, natural oil. Have you ever wondered how to make your own pure avocado oil at home? In this video, I'll reveal the simple, step-by-step process to create nutrient-packed avocado oil that you can use for cooking, skincare, or even hair care. Avocado oil is loaded with vitamins like E and K, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Plus, making it yourself saves money and ensures it's 100% natural. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Gather your ingredients and tools. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll need 5 to 6 ripe avocados, a blender, a spatula, a saucepan, a cheesecloth or fine strainer, and a bowl. Make sure your avocados are ripe but not overripe to get the best oil yield. Step 2. Prep the avocados. Cut the avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop the flesh into your blender. Blend until you get a smooth, creamy paste. This step is important because it breaks the avocados down to release the oil. Step 3. Heat the avocado paste. Transfer the paste to a saucepan and heat it on low to medium heat. Stir continuously for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice the paste darken and start to release oil. Be careful not to burn it, low heat is key. Step 4. Extract the oil. Once the paste has cooled slightly, place it into a cheesecloth or fine strainer over a bowl. Squeeze the cloth firmly to extract every drop of oil. You'll see the golden green avocado oil dripping out. It's a bit of work, but trust me, it's worth it. Step 5. Store your avocado oil. Pour the oil into a clean, dry glass jar or bottle. Store it in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh for weeks. And there you have it, your very own homemade avocado oil. Bonus tip, maximize your yield. Here's a pro tip, use slightly overripe avocados and blend them for a longer time. This helps release more oil. Plus, you can use the leftover paste as a nutrient-rich face or hair mask. Now you know how easy it is to make avocado oil at home. With just a few ingredients and tools, you've created something that's not only healthier but also super versatile. Whether you use it for cooking, skincare, or hair treatments, you'll love the results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who love natural DIYs. Don't forget to subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more amazing tips and tricks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, making avocado oil is not just about saving money, it's about taking control of what you put into your body and on your skin. Prince Sam Official loves you all, and I'll see you in the next video.